Hey guys, Red here, Section 8 guy. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below or shoot me an email. My contact info is in the bio. Guys, I want to talk to you today about being a self-made mogul, right? Like a lot of the other YouTube channels or the forums you guys read or the articles online, right, where there's 7,000 people giving you real estate advice and they're telling you what to do, what not to do. It's hard to find, it's hard to figure out, it's information overload, and the hardest part about it is you're trying to navigate through so much information that a lot of times it can give you paralysis by analysis, which means there's so much to analyze, there's so much to wade through that it's hard to know where to start. It's overwhelming, okay? Starting in real estate, you need guidance, okay? If you want to be successful, you need somebody there helping you out. It's the reason I started my coaching program, because I had someone helping me, right? Everybody who is successful in this industry had someone helping them. Now, just because someone's helping you doesn't guarantee success, right? There's nothing that can guarantee success in this industry. But having somebody there to hold your hand and help you through it is a necessity. With nobody there, you're not guaranteed any success, right? There's a really good chance that you're not going to be successful. Having somebody there helping you through it and giving you guidance, telling you which paths to avoid and which paths to go down, and analyzing decisions with you and talking things out and giving you their experience is only going to help your success rate, okay? It's absolutely pivotal that you do this journey with somebody that A, knows what they're doing, and B, has experience, okay? Now, I kind of jumped around. I jumped to guidance first because experience, these two should actually be switched. Because the only way to learn in this industry, the only way to become a self-made mogul, right, is through experience. You guys can read all the books you want, you can research all that you want, you can do whatever you want. You can call people, you can call agents, you can call contractors, you can call builders, you can call investors. You're not going to learn everything you need to learn until you do it. It's not how it works. You become versed in this industry by doing it. There's no book that tells you everything you're going to run into. Every single job is different. Every single rental property is different. Every acquisition is different. Every flip is different. Every buy and hold is different, okay? Everything's different. When you talk about creating success, you talk about being successful, you have to understand that the only way to do it is by doing it, right? Sitting on bigger pockets all night long, is that the best place to find information? It's a great source of information. Is it the best? No. The best source of information is you. It's learning. It's doing it. It's making mistakes. It's learning from your mistakes. Now, I will say, my coaching program, the way that it's built is you don't make as many mistakes because I've made every single mistake you can make, right? And I keep you, away from a lot of those mistakes. So you have a better chance of success and a better chance of being what you want to be, right? If that's a mogul, then it's a mogul. Now, the biggest part of that is understanding that in order to do it, right, in order to get to this level, you need these two things, right? With guidance, you're getting somebody else's experience, okay? You're getting someone else's, you're inheriting someone else's, they've already years and years and years and years and years of real estate experience. That's something you can't have, no matter how many books you read, no matter how long you've studied. I remember before I jumped into real estate investing years ago, I had researched for months and months and months. I made phone calls. I had to read every forum on BiggerPockets. I'd read every forum out there, right? My brain would bleed, my eyes would bleed. I'd have a notebook where I was taking notes. And when I bought my first rental property, I might as well taken that book of notes and thrown it out the window, right? Because Every experience is different. The only way to learn, guys, is by doing it. You have to do it. You need guidance. You need experience, right? There's no other way to do it. If you need guidance, send me an email. Let's get this thing rolling, okay? As my coaching clients know, with guidance, you have my experience, okay? And you're creating your own experience, which is my favorite part about this, because you're coming into this green. You're coming into this new. No experience, even if you do have experience, right? The experience is that if you already have rental properties or a real estate experience, your experiences are capped right here, okay? You want to grow your portfolio. You want to really learn how to do things the right way. There's a lot more to learn, okay? So when it comes to being a mogul, right, self-made is just going to mean spending tons and tons of money, throwing it down the toilet because you're doing it without guidance and you don't have the experience, right? Experience is going to cost you money, right? That's what experience is. Experience is, wow, I just paid the wrong contractor and he just ran off with all my money, right? Experience is, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Should we do this or should we do that? Okay, I'm gonna take path A instead of path B. Path A is the wrong decision, I just lost 10 grand, right? Path B was the right one, but I'll never take path A anymore. Let me keep you from going down those wrong paths, right? Use that experience. Experience is finding the wrong contractors and using the wrong property management companies and using the wrong realtors, okay? That experience has cost me a ton of money, right? That experience is priceless. Those of you watching this video, you can't just get that experience and use it on your first rental property because it hasn't happened to you. You don't understand how it works, right? I've thrown away tons of money by making the wrong decisions. Now I don't make those anymore, right? As your coach, I'm bringing all that experience to you. You're getting a decade worth of experience in one phone call, right? You're getting somebody that's been doing this for years and years and years and has made all these mistakes. You're not gonna have to pay the X amount of dollars in screw-ups that I have, right? That I've made. It's priceless. It really is. You're making the right decisions. You're learning how to navigate the right decisions. You're learning why we're not making the other decisions, okay? It's my favorite part of being a real estate coach, being an advisor to you guys, is I get phone calls daily. Hey, Rhett, let's do this. I love this idea. Okay, here's an anecdote for you. I did that, right? I did that 4 years ago. I remember when I did it. I did that 6 years ago. I did that 7 years ago. This is why I did that. And it ended up costing me $45,000. Gone, right? Let's not do that, okay? So, having guidance, having a guide that has experience, having a mentor that keeps you away from the bad decisions, right? Unfortunately, in this industry, there's a lot of people looking to take advantage of people. So we stay away from that. You guys will know all the red flags before you see them yourself. You know, the way you're looking at real estate investing is it's a huge open field. You don't know which direction to go to, right? Success is in one place, but you can't see it. Failure is everywhere, but it's right over the hill. You can't see that either, okay? There are red flags everywhere. You can't see them. You need somebody with experience. You need experience yourself. The only way to get it is to learn from somebody else, okay? You need that good guidance. Guys, thanks for watching. You guys are the best. I love you all. Leave your questions and comments below, and I'll get to every single one of them. We'll see you next time.